Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. For Virgo ito guys, take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Alam niyo naman yon. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Ay, sorry guys. Bago ako mag-reading pala, gagamit ako ng Tibetan Bell. I want to cleanse the energy, okay? Cleanse my space. So, pahinaan na lang yung volume. Kasi medyo maingay ito. Okay? Start na natin. Okay? Ayun. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading sa akin, hanggat pwede pa, hanggat kaya pa, or open pa yung time ko, kasi limited lang yung time ko, guys. Sa susunod, hindi ko na to iaalok ulit. Masyado po kasi akong busy yung tao, ano po. Pero hanggat ngayon, pwede kayong mag-inquire sa aking TikTok kung paano. Okay? And yan, start na natin ng reading. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Let's start your reading. Isang shuffle na lang. Messages for you, Virgo. Okay, thank you, Spirit guys, Angel guides. Yeah. I feel like in the past, Three of Cups is here. Five of Wands. Naramdaman ko yung re-energy ng reversal dito, so I would read this as a reverse. The Ten of Coins in reverse. Two of Coins is here. So, yeah, bottom of the deck is the Seven of Wands. Some of you, pwedeng may mga inilaban ka in the past, and I feel like maybe it has something to do with money. Halo-halong emosyon na nakita natin dito. There's galit. Maybe galit sa friends, or maybe sobrang challenging situation ito. Either nagkaroon ng pagkakagalit with a friend, or there's a friend na tumulong or naging kasama mo dito sa challenge na ito with regards to money. Nakikita natin na maaaring maraming nawala or natapon. But with the Two of Coins, I can see people here na parang willing ibigay or tumulong. And I feel like a lot of you is may mga new beginnings na iniisip ngayon regarding sa money. So, especially na may mga nag-end, may mga nawala. So, maybe may mga iniisip kang bago regarding sa finances, regarding sa pera. The Seven of Wands, I can see na parang kaya mo, magaling ka actually. You can be successful. You can be the King of Pentacles. Kaya mo, magaling kang tao. And you do have here the Three of Pentacles. So, the Three of Pentacles or the Three of Coins, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, alam mo kung paano kumita ng pera. No, maybe you are a very sabihin na natin madiskarteng tao, no? May naghihintay para sa iyo. Na I can see a person who has this big emotions para sa iyo. May malalim siyang emosyon para sa iyo. Pwedeng malalim na emosyon. And let's talk about this person. There's this person who is showing here as the Queen of Cups. Pero alamin natin who is this person na naghihintay kay Virgo. Sino itong person na naghihintay kay Virgo? Please, Spirit guides, Angel guides. Sino itong person na naghihintay kay Virgo? Okay. The devil is here. Capricorn energy. Maybe meron siyang Capricorn sa kanyang chart, or you do have a Capricorn in your chart. There's this King of Swords person na parang pwedeng nagkaroon na ng ending sa inyo. Maybe a person in the past. Pwede rin namang hindi past person, but definitely may ending na nangyari sa inyo nito person na ito. Pero ngayon, could be someone na mataas ang ego, someone na medyo cold, someone na medyo mature, maybe someone who is very professional. Um, I can also see someone na parang maybe older than you. Pwede rin namang hindi. Nakakita rin ako ng kalbo na energy. So, pwedeng siya ay kalbo. Yan. Babae man o lalaki, of course, pwede rin namang pakalbo ang babae. And LGBTQIA+ are welcome. Or kung hindi man, medyo malinis lang siya pagdating sa kanyang buhok. Okay? Okay lang kahit hindi. Guys, don't take that. Take only what resonates. And you do over the Two of Cups. Itong person na ito is the Page of Swords. Yan. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I feel like I want to clarify itong Two of Cups. What's with the Two of Cups? Five of Cups. Okay. I feel like nagkaroon siya ng another connection or relationship. So this could be a person in the past na pwede nagkaroon ng relationship doon. But I feel like hindi siya naging masaya dito sa relationship na to. I can see a lot of heartaches, stress, pain, and this person is focusing on food. Nakita natin na parang nagfo-focus na lang siya sa food. Maybe yung kanyang career has something to do with food or sa pagluluto, literal. So, doon niya na lang fino-focus. Or this person is currently trapped kasi lumalabas dito yung other person as the devil. That's Capricorn energy, and the Six of Wands is here. I feel like wala siyang magawa sa situation niya. I can see this Six of Wands, actually this is victory card, pero kung makikita mo, there's this knight na nasa loob ng tower, no? So this is like a knight, the Knight of Wands, which is the Knight of an action knight, the Knight of Wands is an action knight. So might be hindi niya magawa yung action na gusto niyang gawin towards you because of dito sa kanyang situation. And itong person na ito, nakakita nga pala ako ng shell, something to do with shell. So this person I feel like he or she is nagpe-pray to God na sana baguhin yung kanyang sitwasyon, na sana may mabago, no? Whatever you believe in, the universe, whatever you believe in, nag-a-ask siya ng please hayaan nyo ako, or tanggalin nyo ako sa situation ko, or kasi maybe hindi niya alam kung paano. There's a way out actually, pero it's not easy. Kaya niyang umalis sa sitwasyon niya, pero hindi magiging madali. Okay? Parang kailangan niyang mag-ingat, and tell me about this Knight of Wands. The Six of Wands. Could be dealing with the fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, the Palace of Wands is here, and the Palace of Coins. And this is about the palace. Two palaces are here. So bottom of the deck is the Knight of Coins. I feel like So, itong person na ito could be dealing with two people and that could be you and another person. So, lumalabas ito as the palace. So, saan palasyo ko ba gusto? But definitely this person wants to. You are the palace of coins. No? Ikaw yung palace of coins dito and yung isang person is lumalabas as the palace of wands. So, I feel like showing here also na yung person mo is the king of swords. Medyo may conflict talaga because kung ipipilit nitong king of swords ang palace of wands, which is yung person niya, I don't feel like nagmamatch. I feel like lumalabas lang siya dito as bisita. So, pwedeng feeling niya hindi niya kayang magtagal doon sa person or sa situation na yon. Like, wala akong maisip ngayon na itong person na to is that yung action niya is wala siyang maisip kasi nagagawain or anyway, tell me about this palace of coins. Ano yung pagtingin sa'yo nito person ito? Anong pananaw niya sa'yo? Nakikita ka niya as someone who is like happy-go-lucky or maybe a risk taker. Nakikita ka niya sa risk taker. This person wants to Knight of Cups is here. So, talagang may emotion sa'yo itong person na to eh. And gusto niya maggawa or mag-create ng new beginning with you. I feel like gusto niya mag-take ng risks sa'yo. And because you're a risk taker, and medyo nababaliktad ang sitwasyon ngayon, parang siya yung willing mag-take ng risk. And because you are showing here as the emperor, so marami kang pinagkakabalahan. Maybe you are creating something. So, itong person na ito, gusto niya maging parte noon. Nung kung ano man yung i-create mo or kini-create mo na. Okay, what will happen in the future for you, Virgo? In the near future for Virgo. The Knight of Cups is coming, guys. The Knight of Cups. Nakakita tayo ng mas magandang communication, connection sa inyong dalawa. You will be working here and focusing on your work, career. Nakikita natin nagiging mas busy. You like what you're doing. What I like about your career is that gusto mo yung ginagawa mo in the future. Gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. Gusto mo yung nakikita mo. And tell me about this Eight of Coins. The Eight of Coins is is clarified by the Four of Swords. I don't know, it's showing as a 6 for me. So, for some of you, yung 6 of Swords ay may message for you. So, yung iba sa inyo, naka-move on ka na from the past. And yung iba naman sa inyo, with the Four of Swords, you are, you're resting. Nakikita natin na I see this as you loving yourself. You are both workaholic, pero this time, excuse me, workaholic ka, pero nakikita natin na parang binibigyan mo rin ang sarili mo ng pahinga. You're not pressuring yourself. You're not this workaholic na wala ng tulog, wala ng kain, etc. You are the workaholic na may pagmamahal pa rin sa sarili mo, sa katawan mo, etc. And this is you in the near future, loving yourself, focusing on work, career, and hindi mo na mamalayan there's this night coming. Hindi mo mamamalayan yan na may paparating sa'yo because you are too busy. But there's someone coming here. Okay? Nag-iipon na tong taong to. Nag-iipon na siya. Look at this. This is showing to me as angkla. You know, sa barko. Anchor. So, maybe has something to do with a ship or anchor or maybe a place na may tema na parang may kinalaman sa barko. But anyway, this person is coming. Yeah. I just want to know anong pakay niya. Bakit siya dadating? King of coins, sorry, King of swords, King of wands. King of wands, and nine of coins, and three of coins. I feel like this person wants to have this growth dito. So, eight of swords. At yung person na to, hindi na nagiging hadlang yung mga tao sa paligid niya para makita niya kung ano ka talaga. Kung ano talaga yung meron sa'yo. This person is really attracted to you. So ngayon, yung mata niya is like nakafocus sa'yo. You are the apple of his or her eye. Okay? So, yun. Hindi ko pa nakita doon yung intention, but rather, nandun yung interesado talaga tong taong to sa'yo. So, nandun na yan. Oh, some of you, this person wants to build or have a new beginning with you, and this person wants to build a family with you. Gusto niya bumuo ng pamilya kasama ka. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.